Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class Matric, Assalamu alaikum. Once again, we have started our online classes due to the COVID, as the classes are off, but we will be in contact with you through online. Now we have to say, in the regular classes, I had completed my courses. Yesterday, the last lesson of the precise course was completed. But as we have a chance through online, we will complete those lessons which are left, which are not the part of precise course, and we will also make the revision of such lessons in which we have some relaxation, in which we think that there is the need of revision of such lessons. We will inshallah revise them for your best interest. And today I am reading the poem Speak Gently, because before the finalized precise course we were completing we are going in the sequence. But as there was announcement about the precise course, we left few lessons. Now, by taking the advantage of these online classes, I am now continuing those lessons which are left, so that they should give some kind of profit to you. Speak gently, नरमी से बात करें. This lesson is written by some poet whose name is not described. Therefore, in the place of name of poet, there is anonymous. Word anonymous means the name of the poet is not known. गुमनाम. स्पीक जेंटली, नरमी से बात कीजिए. इट इज़ बेटर फॉर, ये काफ़ी बेहतर है, टू रूल बाय लव, मोहब्बत से बात करना, देन फियर, बजाय खौफ के या डराने के. स्पीक जेंटली, नरमी से बात कीजिए. लेट नो हार्श वर्ड मार, ताकि आपका कोई नापसंदीदा लफ्ज़ मिटा न दे, ज़ाया न कर दे. हार्श मीन्स awkward, disliked, troubling word, disheartening word. Mar means delete, scratch, eliminate, eradicate. आपकी नेकियों को मिटा न दे, ज़ाया न कर दे. The good we may do here, वो नेकी, वो अच्छाई जो हम यहाँ पे करते हैं, इस दुनिया में करते हैं. स्पीक जेंटली टू द लिटिल चाइल्ड, नरमी से बात कीजिए छोटे बच्चे के साथ, मासूम बच्चे के साथ. इट्स लव बी श्योर टू गेन, उसका प्यार यकीनन आपको मिल जाएगा. इफ़ यू आर स्पीकिंग जेंटली टू द लिटिल चाइल्ड, इट्स लव बी श्योर टू गेन. अगर आप बात करते हैं नरमी से, शाइस्तगी से, पोलाइटली वे, इन अ पोलाइट मैनर, then it is certain that you will get the love of child. You will get the trust of the child. He will trust upon you. कि आपको यकीनन उसका प्यार मिल जाएगा, बच्चे का प्यार मिल जाएगा. Teach it, उसे सिखाओ, उसे पढ़ाओ. In essence, in such manners, soft and mild, जो नरम हो और नाजिक हो, हल्के हो, तिरछे नहीं हो, हार्श नहीं हो, हॉर्ड नहीं हो. इट मे नॉट रीबकिंग नहीं हो. इट मे नॉट लॉन्ग रिमेन, वो ज़्यादा देर तक बच्चा नहीं रहेगा. इट मे नॉट लॉन्ग रिमेन, शायद वो ज़्यादा ना रहे, मीन्स ज़्यादा अरसे तक बच्चा नहीं रहेगा. ही विल ग्रो अप. स्पीक जेंटली टू द एज्ड वन, नरमी से बात कीजिए उम्र रसीदा से. एज्ड वन, ओल्ड पीपल, एल्डर्स. सीनियर पीपल, योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, और इवन योर ओल्ड पेरेंट्स, ओल्ड रिलेटिव्स. ग्रीव नॉट द केयर वर्न हर्ट, दुखी ना कीजिए उनके थकी हुई दिलों को. केयर वर्न हर्ट, टायर्ड हर्ट्स, weary hearts, fatigued hearts due to the hard struggle of the life. उन्हें दुखी ना कीजिए उन थकी हुई दिलों को, ग्रीव मीन से दुखी करना, टू हर्ट HURT, नाउन होगा ग्रीफ GRIEF। Whose sense of life, here sense means moments, whose sense of life, whose moments of life are nearly run, about to run, about to end, about to finish, जिनकी ज़िंदगी की घड़ियाँ तकरीबन पूरी होने वाली हैं। Let such in peace depart, let them go from this world, let them complete their journey with peace, without having any heavy burden on their conscience or on their heart and mind, बगैर कोई वज़न लिए उनके जहन पे, बोझ लिए उनके जहन पे, उनके दिल पे या उनकी सोच पे। Let such in peace depart, let them go, let them quit, let them leave this world with peace, अमन से उन्हें ये दुनिया छोड़ने दो। Speak gently, नरमी से बात करो, means speak in a polite manner. Tis a little thing, you think that it is a little thing, आपके ख्याल में ये छोटी चीज़ है, छोटी बात है। Dropped in the heart, deep well, ये जब दिल में भेजी जाती है तो गहरा असर करती है, गहराई तक असर करती है। When you speak gently, you consider that it is a little thing, but when it is sent to some heart, when it is behaved with some heart in a polite manner, it affects deeply. Its effects, its after effects are very deep. तो उनके असरात बहुत गहरे होते हैं। The good, the joy that it may bring, वो अच्छाई या वो खुशी जो वो ला सकती है। Eternity shall tell, you will receive the profit, you will receive the fruit of that in the world after this world, in the next world, in the world after death। वो नेकी जो आप या वो खुशी जो आपके लिए वो ले आएगी, means your behavior, good behavior with the children, with the elders, with the careworn hearts, means whatever you will get in the response, whatever will you get in return will not be rewarded to you in this world. You will receive the satisfaction here, but the reward and gift for that will be given to you in the world after death, in the world of eternity, in the life of eternity, means life after death, during the everlasting light that will start from the breathing lost here in this world. You will be rewarded in your immortal life. This is the mortal life. In Sindhi, speak gently, नरमी सां ॻाल्हायो, anonymous, गुमनाम। Speak gently, it is better for, इहो काफ़ी बहितर आहे, टू रूल, हुक्मरानी करण, बाय लव, प्यार सां, मोहब्बत सां, देन फियर, बजाय ख़ौफ़ जे। स्पीक जेंटली, नरमी सां ॻाल्हायो। लेट नो हार्श वर्ड मार, जीअं तव्हांजो को बि अणवणंदड़ लफ़्ज़, हार्श वर्ड, टफ वर्ड, ऑकवर्ड वर्ड, मार, डिमोलिश, इरेडिकेट, एलिमिनेट, त जीअं तव्हांजो को खहरो लफ़्ज़, अणवणंदड़ लफ़्ज़ विञाए न छॾे, ज़ाया न करे छॾे, वेस्ट न करे छॾे। द गुड वी मे डू हियर, उन नेकीअ खे जेकी असां हिन दुनिया में कयूं था। स्पीक जेंटली टू द लिटिल चाइल्ड, नरमीअ सां ॻाल्हायो नंढे ॿार सां। इट्स लव बी श्योर टू गेन, यकीनन तव्हांखे हुनजी मोहबत नसीब थींदी। टीच इट इन एसेंस, उनखे अहिड़नि लहजनि में पढ़ायो, अहिड़े मैनर्स में पढ़ायो, अहिड़े अंदाज़ सां पढ़ायो। सॉफ्ट एंड माइल्ड, कहिड़ो अंदाज़ हुजे, नरम हुजे ऐं नाज़ुक। इट मे नॉट लॉन्ग रिमेन, शायदि हू घणो अरसो न रहे, मीन्स द चाइल्ड विल नॉट बी चाइल्ड फॉर एवर, हमेशह हू ॿार त न रहंदो। स्पीक जेंटली टू द एज्ड वन, नरमीअ सां ॻाल्हायो उमिरि रसीदा माण्हुनि सां, कुराड़नि सां, पोढ़नि सां। गिरी विनाट, ॾुखायो न। द केयरवॉन हार्ट, उन्हनि थकल दिलुनि खे, उन्हनि उदास दिलुनि खे। हू सेंस ऑफ लाइफ, जिन जे ज़िंदगी जूं घड़ियूं आर नियरली रन तक़रीबन पूरियूं थियण वारियूं आहिनि। लेट सच इन पीस डिपार्ट, हुननि खे अहिड़े सुकून सां रवानो थियण ॾियो, अहिड़े अमुन सां मोहब्बत सां रवानो थियण ॾियो। स्पीक जेंटली, नरमी सां ॻाल्हायो। इट्स अ लिटल थिंग, तव्हां सम्झो थी मामूली शइ आहे, नंढड़ी शइ आहे। ड्रॉप्ड इन द हर्ट्स डीप वेल, जॾहिं उहा दिलि में मोकिली वञे थी त गहराईअ सां असरु करे थी। द गुड, नेकी। द जॉय, उहा ख़ुशी। दैट इट मे ब्रिंग, जेका इहा आणे सघे थी। इटर्निटी शल टेल, उनजी ख़बर तव्हांखे मौत खां पोइ पवंदी। The message of this poem, in brief, is the title of the poem is Speak Gently. Here the anonymous poet, here someone poet whose name is not known, about whom no description is given here. Some poems, some legends, some stories, some historical events are transferred from generation to generation by oral traditions, from father to son, from grandfather to grandson. These stories, these poems, and these events were transferred, are inherited. This is also the poem like that has been transferred to us through generation to generation. And there is no description about the writer of this poem, poet of this poem. The message is very clear and lovely message, that you have to be gentle with everyone. You have your behavior, your etiquette, your attitude with anyone, either the child or the elder. If you want to have peace in your mind, if you want to have honor around you, if you want to have peace and tranquility, if you want to have praise for you, if you want to have friendship for you, if you want to have everything in your favor, then you must change your behavior from harsh to gentle. When you speak gently to the children, they become your friends. They start to trust upon you. They believe you their leader. They believe you their friend. They believe you their guardian. They believe you their supporter. They believe you unprecedented supporter. And this is the base thing. And when you speak gently to the elders whose life is about to end, whose moments of life are about to end because of their tired life, because of the hardships of their long tenure of life, they will pray for you. Your speaking gentle will keep them relaxed. And in the response, in the repay, you will receive their guidance, you will receive their knowledge, age-old knowledge, experience to handle the situations in the world. For every man, every situation is new. But if the man is guided and supported by elders, nothing is new, but he goes forward by solving those hardships which are already solved by the elders. So we should be kind, gentle with everyone, and in the repay we will receive a lot in this world and much more in the next world, in the world of eternity. There's nothing like, there's no precious thing except the gentle manner, being gentle with others. Such societies where gentleness prevails, speaking gently with everyone, it prevails, and this formula is acted upon. Such societies become prosper. Such societies become tranquil and peaceful. So, everybody has to act upon the message of this poem, means being gentle with everyone, with the elders, with the youngers, not for their sake only, but for your sake itself. The book setter also asks us two questions. What does the poet Speak Gently tell us? I have already defined the message of the Speak Gently, that we have to be gentle with everyone, even to the youngest and to the elders. Which stanza of the poem do you like the best? Which stanza of the poem do you like best? Every stanza has its importance. Nothing is more important, nothing is less important. Every stanza is equally important. But I think the last stanza, Speak Gently, is a little thing dropped in the heart's so deep well. The good, the joy that it may bring, eternity shall tell. I think this stanza is even the most important than the others. Speak Gently, it is a little thing. You consider that speaking gently is a little thing, but of course not. It is not a little thing. It is a big thing. It is a huge thing. Dropped in the heart deep well. Whenever you speak gently with anyone, it drops in his heart deeply. Means you are putting your favor, your support for your favor in his heart or in her heart deeply. And if you want to get the good or joy, what kind of goodness and joy, enjoyment it brings, your gentle manner brings for you, you will realize in this world, and also you will get a lot in the next world, in the world of eternity, in the life of eternity. My dear students, my lecture for today is over. I think you must have learnt a lot from this lecture. Keep on. Always be present in the lectures, online lectures, for your better sake. We are trying our best to keep you in touch and to keep you aware with the subject and to keep you full of knowledge. Thank you.